Hello, my dear friends. Today we have to look at a topic of strings, which is generally a matter of confusion for students who do not understand how to make a program on strings. But before that, we have to first of all understand what is a string. String is actually a class that is provided by java.lang package. Now, packages are what? Packages are a collection of various classes which can be used in our programs. So java.lang is actually a default package. We do not need to import it every time. This is java.lang package. This is going to provide you with string class. Along with string class, you get various other classes like math class and all. So string class is provided by java.lang package. This string class, since it's a class and a class has got various functions, so let's see what functions are provided with the help of a string class. Acha, before that I must tell you, if anybody asks you how can you define a string class, you will say it is an immutable class provided by java.lang package. Immutable. Immutable means once you give a value to a string, you cannot make any modifications in it. For example, if I write here string s is equal to welcome, and suppose in welcome, suppose I have written double L. I want to remove this single L from here and make it welcome a correct spelling. I cannot go inside the string and make modifications in it. This is the disadvantage. You will have to rewrite s is equal to welcome to write the whole string in a correct manner. Right? So that is why it is said to be an immutable class. Now comes the functions of a string class. First is length. I have told you in my previous lectures also that a function is recognized by the parenthesis. So length is a function which is provided by string class to count total characters including spaces. Total characters including spaces. For example, if I write here string s is equal to hello space John. How many characters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The space is also included. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total, the length will return you total of 10 characters. And how do I find out the length? I will write here int L is equal to s dot length. S is the string name, s dot length will give you total output as 10. So this means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the characters including spaces are also counted in the length function. Then comes the next character which is always used in a program, length, and this function caret. Caret requires an index position, that from which index do you want to extract a character. It is used to extract one character at a time. One character at a time. For example, if I have got a string s is equal to, and I'm writing here computer, and I'm saying char c is equal to s dot char at 2. Now I must tell you one thing, in strings, although the length starts the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but whenever we are considering rest of the functions of a string class, they all start the numbering with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Although the length is 8, but due to the numbering starting from 0, the numbering ends at 7. So accordingly, if we see at 2 position we have got m. So the output that will come and be stored in C is m. Right? This thing you people have to make clear first of all. Then third is 2 uppercase. This was used to convert string into capital letters. Capital letters. For example, if I write here string s is equal to hello, and I want to convert it to capital letters, I'll write here s is equal to s dot 2 uppercase. One thing you are seeing, some letters I am writing in capital, some in lower. In one of my videos I told you that whenever a function has got 2 words, the first word should always be in lowercase and the second word should start with capital letters. Here we have got 3 words, 2 uppercase. So first word obviously should be in lowercase. Second and third word should start with capital letters. So the output that I am going to get is everything in capital letters. Hello. Then we have got another function, 2 lowercase. Lower case. Now this 2 lowercase, this is going to convert the entire string into lowercase. Lowercase means small abcd to lower case. So suppose I have got here string s is equal to hello in capitals, and I am writing here s is equal to s dot 2 lowercase. This is going to give me the output as hello in lowercase. Then fifth is trim. Trim, as we all know, to trim means only to cut a small piece of information at the ends. So trim is used to remove the extra leading and trailing spaces. Leading and trailing, at the beginning of the string and at the end of the string, whatever extra space is there, it will be removed. But it is not going to remove the extra spaces in between the words. So removes leading and trailing spaces. For example, if I am writing here string s is equal to space so much I am leaving, then I am writing computer. So as soon as I write here s is equal to s dot trim, my output will be computer, which I'll not be able to see कि कहाँ से space हटी. But in the memory, this leading space has been trimmed out. It has been cut off. Right? Then number 6. Today we are going to discuss 6 functions of a string class. And in my next video, we are going to discuss more of them. Trim के अलावा then we have got concat. Concat, it is used to join two strings. So for example, if I have got string s is equal to hello and another string t which has got John, and I am writing s is equal to s dot concat t, what it is going to give? Hello John without any space, because I am not specifying कि मुझे hello के साथ John के बीच में I want a space. So if I want a space in between, my statement will be s is equal to s dot concat space dot concat t, s dot concat space dot concat t, and the output that I am going to get is hello space John. Right? So today what we have seen that java.lang is a package provided by Java. This package gives us a class, a string class, which is immutable in nature, which means once you give a value to it, you cannot make modifications. You will have to rewrite the correct spelling in the string. Some functions that we have seen today are length, which is used to count the total characters including spaces. So string s is equal to hello space John will count total characters including space, and I am going to write int l is equal to s dot length, which will be counting the string from 1 2 3 4 5 6 as a space, 7 8 9 10. So total length for this string is 10. Caret will be to extract one character. String s is equal to computer is written. Now rest of the functions of the string except for length are going to start the numbering with 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is the numbering, and if I am writing cat c is equal to s dot caret 2 position pe, if we look carefully, we have got here m, so the output will be m. Next function we have seen is to uppercase, which is used to convert the string to capital letters. So if I am writing string s is equal to hello, s is equal to s dot to uppercase, it will convert it to capital letters. Most of you will ask, if the string already is in uppercase, then what will happen? Nothing. It will remain uppercase only. To lowercase will convert the string to lowercase. String s is equal to hello in capital letters if I give, and I am writing s is equal to s dot to lowercase, it will immediately give me in lowercase. Trim, which is used to remove the leading and the trailing spaces. So if I am writing string s is equal to space computer, so s is equal to s dot trim will remove that leading space which was before computer, and we are going to get a contracted string computer. Concat is used to join two strings. So if I have got a string s as hello T as John, and I'm writing S is equal to S dot concat T. The output will be hello John without any space. So if you need a space, you will have to write S is equal to S dot concat space dot concat T, and we are going to get hello space John. Hope you people have understood most of the functions, 6 functions of a string class. We'll continue this in our next video, and rest of the videos that have been prepared in this channel have been given in the description box. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.